All right, folks, let's learn how to use Canvas. You've logged in and you've probably noticed that all these things are gray. And that is because you cannot move forward unless you do what it says right here. So this says mark done. So you are in here, and the video I'm making right now will go right here. And once you've watched the video, you're going to click mark as done, and then you'll go next. And when you do that, you are going to be able to move on to the next thing. However, take a look here. If I click on next and I didn't click mark as done, it's going to tell me, okay, I need to do the account setup. I need to mark as done first. So I'm going to go back to the account setup. I'll click mark as done after I've completed all of my activities and logged in with everything, and then I will click next and it'll allow me to go. Now I'm going to go back. This is what I see. It's a little bit different than what you see, and we'll go back to what you see here in just a second. One thing you can do, anytime you need to go to the next page, it's really easy. You just go down to the bottom and click next, right? Another way to do that is to go to the home button. And when you go to the home button, you will be able to see all of the tasks that you'll be doing. Now these tasks, you have to do the tasks in order, and it tells you specifically what you have to do. So sometimes you have to click that mark as done button. Sometimes, like for the discussion board, you have to contribute to the discussion. For the face-to-face meeting, you have to actually submit something, and you have to submit your quiz in order to move on. So those are things that have to be done to move forward. Now, one thing you will be able to do is you will be able to take a look at these videos. You've got notes, videos, readings, simulations. You're going to choose which ones you look at. So you may need to view each one of these. Actually just open the site and take a look and see what's there before you can move on to the next one. But you get to choose which ones you want to actually participate with. Then in order to move forward, you're going to have to get 10 out of 10 on your quiz. You get 2 attempts to do that. And again, a lot of times you're hitting that mark as done button. Sometimes you are uploading documents. So the next thing I want to show you is that you can go to your grades. So there's a grades section here. So if you click on grades, you will be able to see your actual grades. Okay, so to submit assignments, there will be different ways that you have to do it. So I'm just going to, since I can get in, I'm going to go to this task where I'm uploading a Google Doc, or not the doc itself, I'm uploading the link. So here you're going to submit assignment, and then it tells you to paste the website here, and that's all you're doing. You'll click submit assignment and you'll be done with that. For some of the other assignments, you will be actually typing in the text box. So you will click on the actual link. You'll click submit assignment, and you'll notice here you can upload a file. You can also in here click, so if you, this would be your PowerPoints and things like that. Your text entry is going to be your Google Drawing and Google Drive. Don't look at the Google Doc or the Google Drive here. That's just going to confuse the actual program itself. So that's pretty much everything you need to know how to use Canvas. The big thing is make sure you are following the instructions on what to do, whether your marking is done or submitting or contributing, whatever it is that you're doing, and make sure that you are paying attention to the different task numbers so it tells you specifically in order what you're supposed to do. This should be easier to do than Schoology. We will see how it works, but let me know if you have any questions and I will be here for you.